Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to share with you some project shares of new SVG files in my Etsy store. So the first one is this cute little birdhouse memory decks. What comes with this memory decks is the base of the memory decks, the layering piece for the floor and the roof, as well as this word piece here that says home sweet home. All I've done is added a cute little bird. You could add a shaker if you wanted to. I just really love this one, how it turned out. It looks so pretty. I can't wait to pop this in my little memory decks roller. The next memory decks that I've got is this adorable little hot air balloon. It is flat. I've made another hot air balloon before, which looked like this, but it was huge. So I wanted a way to make another hot air balloon and have it not be so thick and chunky. So I came up with this design here. It looks so pretty, and obviously I've added these here, so it's like the strap, everything is stitched up. It looks so nice. I love it. So you get everything, the base, the layering pieces, all of that. This one is so pretty. I have a little handbag, and the awesome thing with this one is it is actually a usable bag. So you could put a little card in here, you could put a gift card. This would be such a fun way to gift someone a gift card, or just a fun little thing. So I've done the two straps with the bag and it sits in there like this. You've got quite a decent amount of space, like I can fit the majority of my hand in there. So this one is so pretty, and as with all SVG files, you can resize them to whatever size you want. I just love this one. I did also print it out in pink. I haven't decorated it yet, and this one I only did one strap. It just cuts off with the excess bulk and a little bit more simplistic, but that's also a really fun way to gift some items. And the next memory decks we have is this flower piece, a really simple die. I've just decorated up with this word babe and then these cute little cluster here. I really like this one. It's really fun, and it comes with the layering piece as well as the background. Again, you could make it a shaker if you wanted to. And carrying on from those words, babe, I have available now some word sets. This is my Galentine word set. So there is bestie, and I've done it in purple because I don't often craft with purple. Crush, girl power, girls night, Galentine, happy Galentine's Day, and then there was also the babe that I used here. So you get the overlay piece as well as the underlay piece. They look so fun. I love these. Then I also have a Valentine's Day set. This comes with 8 words, but I have only printed 4 of them. So we have first, will you be my Valentine? The beauty with SVGs is that this can be any size. Scale it up to 12 inches, scale it down to 2 inches. So fun. I love you. Forever and always. And then also I have this XOXO one. And with this XOXO one, I've put this on my next SVG, which is a simple shaker. So this is a simple shaker set. It comes with the heart. It also comes with the star, which I haven't decorated yet. And then also a simple butterfly. So these ones here are $2.50 for 3 shakers, which is a fantastic deal. Then the last product, which is one that I'm so proud of, is this awesome potion bottle. So I've decorated it up with all these chains on there to make it look like it's like locked away. It is a shaker, but you do not have to do the shaker. You can just print the layering pieces. You do not have to make it a shaker. But I love this. I was tossing and turning of what word to use on it. I thought I could potentially use this like forever and always to kind of make it like a forever and always potion, but I love this one, and the beauty of this one is that you can use it for anything you want. I kind of went with like a love theme, which is why I've got so many pinks in there, but I'm really happy with this one. I think it looks so cute. So thanks for watching, guys, and coming to look at my project share of my new SVG files over on my Etsy store. The link is down below. It is jcraftcreation. The link is always down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!